this is going to be the area for our koi pond. We're going to clear out these smaller trees here, and we're going to end up just using this kind of sinkhole that's already here as a base. We're going to dig it all out with a small tractor, and then we're going to, I believe we're going to use concrete and everything, because it's going to be for the turtles and everything mostly. But we'll see how everything goes, and I'll show you guys the progress along the way. We already got a little spot here cleared out. Now, mostly trees would have to be cleared out anyway, because they're really close to the house, and people just kind of let them grow up over the years or so. And there's all kinds of rock and rebar that people have just tossed over here that I don't have to clean out. And all this rock and brick I've been cleaning out from like just the ground and the area where I mow. So I guess we'll see how all this goes. Like I said, I'll show you guys the progress and everything. And that's it. I love you guys. It's been your Bandit King Isaac. And of course, my co-sponsor over here, the Loud Bird. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye. We got a good chunk of the trees gone. Now I just have a big mess to clean up. So I'm gonna chop these up, and I'm gonna remove the limbs, try to clean up a little bit, and I'll show you whatever I have left. Hopefully I get a good bit of this done. Like I said, I got a lot of work ahead of me, but we'll see how much I get done today. Talk to you guys in a bit. All right, I've cleaned up my mess. Those are the logs I'm gonna give all to my dad. He uses them for firewood. And we got all this cleaned up. I had to stop because the chainsaw needs the chain sharpened, and I don't have any of the tools here. But we did a good bit today. My hands are sore because one of these logs over here has huge thorns sticking out of them. And boy, do they hurt. Where are you? I don't know if you can see this, but got these little thorns sticking out. You got even bigger ones somewhere on here. There they are. That right here is a thorn. They've been jabbing me in the hand all day. Anyway, we've got a lot of it cleaned up. We're gonna have to get a tractor out here soon and remove most of these little stumps and trees. But so far so good. Maybe another day or two of clearing out this wood and the little tiny trees, and we should be good. It'll probably just take a day. Just one more day and I can get the rest of this done and get the limbs disposed of. I'll keep you guys updated. This has been your Bandit King Isaac, working on our koi pond area. Not doing too bad. See you guys later on.